Alright guys, welcome back, and we're still on the topic of fractions, and thank you guys so much for tuning in on my math lessons. And we're going to do the final part of the fractions, where we're going to convert fractions, whether to decimals, to a percentage, or we're going to find the quantity of a fraction. Alright, so please remember to hit that subscribe button to raheemvlog. Also follow me on Instagram at raheemvlog. Also, you could shoot me a message or on Instagram, and I'll reply to your message. Alright, so let's get into it. So we're at the first part of it, where it says to convert a fraction to percentage, multiply the fraction by 100. Right, so I'm going to show you an example of how to do the first scenario. Let's say, for example, you have half. Half would be the fraction, and you want to convert this half to a percentage. Well, you have to multiply it by 100. And remember, you have to put the 100 over 1, because you're dealing with fractions. Alright, so you have to put the 1 underneath the 100, and then we just multiply, which will give us a half, which will give us 50%. So your answer will be 50%. Or you could say 2 in itself goes 1, and 2 into 100 give you 50. Alright, so you could try it that way and get your answer as well. Alright. Alright, so I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a quarter. Alright, let's use a different color. Alright, so next example. You have a quarter, and you want to convert this quarter into a 100. You want to convert this quarter into a percentage. Alright, so in the meantime, we could try work out that one, and I'll work it out in the next 2 minutes. Alright, have you guys get your answer for that one? Alright, so remember, so a quarter to a percentage will give us 25, because 4 into 100 give you 25, and 25 times 1 will give you 25. So your answer will be 25%. Alright, not so good at that. Alright, that will be 25%. Alright. Alright, so we're down to this section of it. Let's scroll down. Alright, it's a convert a percentage to a fraction. So it's a remove the percentage sign and divide the fraction by 100, and reduce the fraction in its lowest term where possible. Convert a percentage to a fraction. So let's say you have 25%. Let's say you have 25%. And you want to convert this 25% to a fraction. So it says, one, you should remove the percentage sign and divide the fraction by 100. Alright, so let's do that. So we'll have 25. Remove the sign and we divide 25 by 100. So that's how we remove the percentage sign. We just divide it by 100. And then the second section of it, which is here, says that reduce the fraction in its lowest term where possible. Alright, so to do this, you can divide. You can divide both the top and the bottom by 25 because they're both divided by 25, so you could do that. Alright, so to do that, we'll have 25 into 25 goes 1, and 100 divided by 25 is a quarter. Alright, so for this example, your answer will be a quarter. Alright, so let me know if you understand that one. Let me just go over. Let's go over, yeah. Alright, let's give you a next example. As I said, you could just shoot me a message in my Instagram and I'll go over this for you. Alright, so let's say we have 50%. And you want to convert this 50% to a fraction. So remember in the first example, what we did, we removed the percentage sign and we divide we divide by 100. So let's say we have 50. When we remove the percentage sign, we divide it by 100. And then we reduce in its lowest term where possible. So let's reduce this. So we simply divide. You could divide both the top and the bottom by 50. So we have 50 here and have an next 50 here. Both top and bottom by 50. Alright, so it's say 50 into 50, that's 1. And 100 divided by 50 will give us 2. So your answer for 50% to a fraction is half. Alright. Alright, so we're at this one now. It says to convert a percentage to a decimal. Remove the percentage sign and divide the number by 100. So to convert a percentage to a decimal. Alright, so for example, you have 12%. I'm not sorry about that, guys. Trying to make it a percentage. Looks much better, right? Alright, and you want to convert 12% to a decimal. So the rule says remove the percentage sign and divide the number by 100. Alright, so let's say it's 12%. When we remove the sign, you're gonna divide by 100. So to divide 12 by 100, you'll get 0.12, and it simply means that we're moving the decimal place twice. So let's say we have 12 and you want to divide it by 100. So decimal point will move 1, 2, and you put your point here. and you'll have a 0. So it'll be 0 point 0.12. Alright, I'm gonna do one next example and show you. So let's say we have 20%, and I want to divide, I want to turn it to a decimal. So we'll have 20, and it will be divided by 100. As I said, it just move the decimal point 2 places, alright, and it's 2 places to your left. Alright, let's erase this. Alright, so you'll have 0.20, and that will be 12% to a decimal. So it'll be 0.20. Alright, so in the next video we'll continue to convert a decimal to a percentage, and also we're going to find the quantity. Alright, so stay tuned in the next video and we'll pick up after that. And thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and have yourself a wonderful evening. Thanks for watching.